Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through a simple step on how to fix Spotify can't play current song issue. If you're going through the Spotify can't play current song on your iPhone, then you can try these following steps. First, make sure to check your internet connection on your iPhone. Swipe down from the top right hand corner of your screen and make sure that the Wi-Fi button is enabled. You can also turn on your cellular data network and make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. Once you have it, the next step is to check for a Spotify update. Make sure you have the latest version of Spotify installed on your iPhone. In order to make sure, go and open up App Store from your app drawer. In the search result, look for the Spotify app and tap on it. If there is an update available for the app, you'll be able to see it right here on this page. If you see the update button right where the open button is currently visible on the screen, simply tap on that button to get the latest version of Spotify application on your iPhone. Once you update to the latest version of Spotify, you'll be able to fix the issue. Outdated apps can sometimes lead to playback problems, so if you make sure that you have the updated version, you might be able to fix the issue right away. If the problem still continues, you can restart the Spotify app. Force close the Spotify application by swiping up from the bottom of your iPhone. You'll be able to see several app cards that is currently running on your background. Simply go ahead and find the Spotify app card and push it off. You can do this for the rest of the application as well to make sure there is no current application running on the background. After you force close the Spotify app, you can go back to the app drawer and tap open the app again. After you restart the Spotify app, you might be able to fix the issue. Simply go ahead and play a song to check. You can also try clearing your Spotify cache, since clearing the app cache can sometimes resolve playback issues. To do so, go ahead and tap on the gear icon from the main home page of Spotify, which should be located at the top right hand corner. Now swipe down and tap on storage. In the display, click on Clear Cache. Click the Clear Cache button one more time in the pop-up, and doing so will delete all of the cache files accumulated on your Spotify app. After clearing out the cache, go back to the Spotify main home page and try playing a song to see if that fixes the issue. If the problem still persists, simply delete your Spotify application and reinstall it again. Log into your account and try playing a song now. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're going through Spotify can't play current music or song issue. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.